All right, so recall that the octet rule stated that atoms want to acquire 8 valence electrons in their outermost energy level. So they're going to lose, gain, or share. Since we're talking about ionic compounds, we're going to talk about elements that are going to lose or gain electrons. So they're going to transfer electrons from one element to another. And they do this so that they can be stable, so that they can have the stable electron configuration of the nearest noble gas. All right, with cations, the T, these are going to be our positively charged ions. They are usually metals, and we know that metals are located on the left side of our periodic table. So metals are losers, and they're on the left. So lefty losers, metal losers. All right, great. So if we have elements in group 1A, we know that they have one valence electron. Therefore, they are going to lose that one valence electron. When they lose the one, and we compare the number of protons to the number of electrons, we're going to see that they have one more proton than electrons, giving the elements in group 1A a 1 plus charge. And that makes the formula for them, we're going to use the letter Z to represent all chemical symbols. And so any element in group 1A, we're going to write their symbol, and then we'll write their charge. Now, you can write it with a 1, but I also want you to know that most of the time you're going to see it written without the 1. So the 1 is just a silent number. Okay, group 2A has 2 valence electrons. They are going to lose 2 then. When they lose 2, they'll have a full outer energy level, and that means they're going to have 2 more protons than electrons, giving it a 2 plus charge. So our formula for cations in group 2A is the chemical symbol and then a superscript of 2 plus. All right, I'm sure you can figure out group 3A on your own. They're going to lose 3 because they have 3 valence electrons, and they are losers. That means they're going to have 3 additional protons compared to electrons, giving a 3 plus charge. And the formula will be the chemical symbol followed by a 3 plus. All right, that is the trend for forming cations that we're going to be utilizing in class next time.